teacher me to eat breakfast. Creamy. Ate chapati. So I eat egg. Who likes egg? Then you say the egg. And then coffee. Cucumber. Early morning. How are you guys? How's your morning? How's your day? Coffee. Masarap pag Nescafe decaf. Healthy, diba, ang decaf? Pero coffee pa rin siya. Kasi ang alam ko, ang decaf walang caffeine. Na. So, I use decaf. But your mind or your bodies need the caffeine. You're thinking you give the caffeine because aroma of Nescafe. How's your day? What's your breakfast today? Can you share me? Write in the comments below. Bye guys. Have a nice day. Take care always. All your buddy.